Introducing the Joule Oven with Autopilot. New from Breville. Autopilot knows what to do, so you can do the easy parts while it does the work.
That's all we gotta do.
It proofs, then bakes, cooks, then broils, roasts, then keeps warm. So you can do this.
By tomorrow?
While it's doing this. You can even talk to it.
Alexa, set the oven to warm.
Experience the confidence of cooking with Joule. Nail it. First time, every time. From air frying to motionless rotisserie. From savory to sweet, breakfast to dinner. And special occasions to quick snacks. The Joule Oven with Autopilot. New from Breville.